Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna do an Eid look. So let's get started. We want a very nice and dewy finish, so we're gonna use an oil primer first. You can use any that you have. I'm using a Farsali oil primer. Blend it very well into your skin, and then we use an illuminator to add more sheen to the entire look. Massage this as well on your entire face. Look at the shine. Next, I'm going to use foundation, and I'm going to give it a very nice simple basic coverage, not a lot of foundation. Use a polishing brush or a blending brush and apply the foundation throughout your face. Make sure you get your ears as well as your neck, and make sure you apply very little pressure. Don't do it too harshly. Make sure there are no lines visible on the face and everything is equally blended. Since I don't want this look to be too harsh, I'm gonna next move on to concealing and correcting together. So as I taught in my last video, and if you haven't, go watch it now. I'm gonna mix it and apply it on all the areas required, that is under the eye, slightly on the forehead, near the pigmentation areas, and then I'm just gonna blend it all together so it gives away the coverage. Make sure you're blending this together as well so there are no lines visible. As you can see, it gives a very nice smooth finish and a lot of sheen. Next, I'm going to use only concealer but to highlight all the other places, and then blend it all together. Since I've already done concealing and correcting together, I can do the blending motion and not the stippling motion. Make sure not to overdo the product. Before setting it with the powder, I have applied some set-on spray, and then I'm going to use the translucent powder throughout my face, especially on the areas that I've highlighted. Moving on to powder contouring. So I'm going to highlight all the areas like my cheekbone, and in case if you want to know the detailed way to contour, please check out the video that I've posted before. So I'm going to do it under the jawline. Nose, make sure you contour your nose very well, especially in the nostril portion. We have used a contour that has a little sheen in it, and same way we're going to use a blush that has a little shine to it, so it'll keep the makeup dewy. Add it to your apples or contemporary way that you like, and then add a highlighter. So as you can see, it adds a lot of shine, and plus the entire face looks quite dewy. Then we move on to the eyes. Use a round blending brush and start from the outer corner and moving inside towards the crease line and slightly towards the inner corner. Make sure you get your deepening effect on the edges and then move it gradually on the inside. It has to be equal on both the edges, and then we add a little darker color only at the outer edges. This is to highlight our edges. Next, we use a golden color to highlight the center. This is called the halo effect. Since we don't want a lot of lines, we are going to use a blending brush and just blend the outer edges. Do not put your brush on the center of the eyes, otherwise it will take away the metallic gold color. We are going to do a soft line, so we're going to apply a line of kajal near our lash line and then smudge it up. You can choose to put lashes, or you can apply volumizing mascara and maybe add like 2 or 3 layers of it so that it gives you that effect. Make sure to not miss out the lower lashes as they are equally important, as you can see it in the video. I'm keeping the look very soft, so I've gone with a light pink on the under eye, but if you want to enhance it, you can use a different color, or you can use black as well. Make sure you fill in the brows pretty well. Always while filling the brows, use a cool brown color and start from the arch moving towards the front. When you get to the front, you want to do hair-like motion, that is moving it upwards. Lastly, I'm adding a very nudish pink color that is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and there it is. We're done. I have filmed another video of hairstyle, like how to do the waves and 2 different hairstyles. So if you want to check that out, I'm gonna be posting it next. But I hope you guys like this. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.